Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a very fun dessert. It's called dirt and worms. So let's get started. So for this recipe, here are the ingredients that you will be needing. You will need a bag of Oreos. This is a 500-gram bag, and if you can find Oreo crumbs, that would work as well. And then you'll need a block of cream cheese. I am just using a full fat Philadelphia whipped topping. My brand is No Name. Some powdered sugar. There's about a cup. About half a cup of butter. A full pack of chocolate Jello, and then some milk or a milk of your choice. This is cow's milk. I'm pretty sure you can use other milks as well. And then I am using gummies, and these are in the shape of snakes or worms. I was looking for worms, but I could not find any, so snakes to the rescue. I love anything a gummy bear type of gummies, type of candy. So I'm gonna take my Oreos, and I'm just going to use a meat tenderizer and a Ziploc bag to crumble them up. I would also like to mention that this video is part of a collaboration that is hosted by Small Town 6, and it is a candy challenge collaboration. And she asked us to create our favorite recipe or recipes using our favorite candy, or we can even make our own candy. Well, I wasn't as adventurous as making my own candy, but I'm definitely making a dessert that includes one of my favorite candies, and it is such a great hit with the kids. This was my last day working as a daycare provider, so I wanted to make something special for the kids for dessert, and this was such a big hit. And I was even thinking this would be a great thing for a birthday party, and you could do like serve it in a sand pail and use a shovel to dig it out. Just a little idea. So there will be a playlist down in the description box for you to head on over once you are finished watching my video. And if this is your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja, and this is my cooking channel where you'll find tons of different recipes as well as what's for dinners, breakfast, and lunches. So make sure you press that subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. So once I had all of my Oreos crumpled up, I moved on to my next step. I am adding some of that melted butter in and mixing it all up. You want it to be almost like a crumbly consistency, which is, I think that would be the best definition of this. Now I move on to my next step, and I will be mixing my pudding mix, and you can even do this as a first step, so that way you don't have to wait around for the pudding to set, because it takes about 5-10 minutes for it to set, and you can prepare all the other stuff while you're waiting for that to happen. And I am just following the instructions on the package. Now, as I made the brownie trifle a few months ago, I was saying that you could totally do the already prepared pudding for this. I just prefer this one, but the prepared pudding cups would work as well. While I wait for my pudding to set, I am going to prepare my cream cheese layer and this, my mixture, and this will be my cream cheese, which you wanted to have set out at room temperature. so it's nice and soft. Mine wasn't quite as soft as I would have liked it to be. And then I am adding some powdered sugar to it, and I will be using my handheld mixer to mix it all up. So once your pudding is all set, you want to add now that cream cheese mixture into it. And you will also going to be adding the whipped cream topping in now, or whipped topping now as well. And you want to fold everything together. You don't want to overmix it. And now the fun part starts is when you want to start layering your ingredients into your bowl. I am using a trifle bowl so that way I can show you all the different layers. So I'm starting with the Oreo cookie layer. This is like your dirt. And then your other layer, which is the pudding layer, this is like your mud. And now you can place some worms right into it, or you can just add them on the top. That is completely up to you. This would be fun if you could also find some bugs, gummy worms as well. I think that would look good too. So I am adding my snakes or worms on top, and I'm making them look like some of them are kind of coming out of the dirt and just laying on top of the dirt. This is really up to you how you want to set it up or decorate it. Let me just tell you, the kids had so much fun eating this dessert. It was such a big hit, and like definitely recommend it for birthday parties if you're looking for a fun dessert, especially if you have a outdoor theme type of birthday party. I mean, it doesn't have to be a birthday party. It could be a barbecue and you have children attending. I think this would be an awesome dessert and so easy to make, and it's also very budget friendly too. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up. And like I said, don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for your continuing support. It means the world to me. And make sure you head on over to the description box where you will find a playlist for this challenge, and I'm sure there's going to be tons of different candy dessert inspirations for you. So until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.